like falling deeper. Colder nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't. 가져 내 마음을, 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기엔 내 자신이 너무 걱정돼. 바보 같은 생각이야. 알아 멍청해. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어. 사랑이라는 걸. Oh yeah.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. It is Feb 6 and 10:34. We just finished breakfast. Welcome to another vlog. If you are new here, hello, my name is AYI. Welcome to my channel. I started the day slow because I want to. Today's video is gonna be like a Sunday reset video vlog. So I'm just gonna do stuff to prepare for the week so that I am ready to go and ready to conquer the week. That's it for the intro actually. I am wearing my glasses now. You guys look more clear or clearer. Everything looks clearer. As I mentioned in the previous vlog, I got glasses because my vision is not 20/20 anymore. But it's still low, like the grade is still low. It's still like 75. So before we get into the rest of the day, I just wanted to give a quick work from home haul. Is that a thing? I recently got this mechanical keyboard because I just wanted to. I needed a new mechanical, I needed a new keyboard and I thought, okay, why not make it fun then? So after consulting Jude's friends, this is kind of what the conclusion was. So we got this from Data Blitz and we shall unbox it. So that was like a little test of the keyboard. I'm not a keyboard expert at all by any means, but it's fun. The last thing in my work from home haul are these Apple earpods, the one with an aux plug, because my work laptop has an aux plug and I want something that I don't need to charge, that doesn't run out of battery like my AirPods. I wanted to get this as an option for long meetings and such, and it's just reliable, you know what I mean? That's why I got this. So let's open it. It looks like AirPods, but the wire is actually at the back. That's it for my little haul. If you guys enjoyed it.
Come with me, can't you hold my hand and lead. 근데 있잖아, 너라면 다를까 생각이 들어. 해볼까 말까 내 다리가 걸어 가는 방향이 어딘지 서로 궁금해져 버려. 애써 맘 졸여.
Hello. So it's already 3:30 and I took a nap. I took a nap for like an hour. And then, but before that, we had lunch. Since it's Sunday, we have service, so we attended our church's online service, and then I took a nap from there. And then when I woke up, I made some coffee that's almost done, and I read for a bit using my iPad. I am currently reading The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. It's pretty interesting, very different from books I've read before, so it's good. And Aya has read it. She has finished it way before I did. I'm still reading it, but yeah, it's interesting so far, and I'm about a third of a way to the book I started the other day. I've just been reading it here and there when I can, and yeah. Now after this, I'm probably gonna put away clean laundry, 2, plan my week, and then 3, redo my nails because right now my nails are so crusty and dirty. And then Jude and I will go on a walk later just to get some steps in and exercise in and some air or fresh air in. It's 3:35 now after my rant or after I've been talking, and we're gonna go walk at 5 when the sun's not too hot anymore. Sundays are kind of crucial because it's kind of a rest day. It's like my only rest day, I would say, because Saturday is full of chores. So it's not really resting. It's really tiring actually. So Sunday is when we get to slow down, do whatever we want, and just relax and chill. Sundays I really like to take to myself or to use it for myself. And you all should have a moment for yourselves every week just to kind of realign with yourselves and to ground yourselves, recalibrate with yourselves basically. That is the unsolicited advice I have for you all.
언제쯤 알게 될까 너도 나와 같은 생각을 하고 있을까 한참을 멍하니 보다 보니 살짝 어두워진 색깔 불그스름한 노을의 때깔 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어 사랑이라는 거 oh yeah. Baby can't you come with me can't you hold my hand and lead I just wanna know what you're thinking wondering all day long not gonna do another pick and choosing you and me in this song 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어 사랑이라는 거 oh yeah. Baby can't you come with me can't you